Nearpod is a platform that creates a bridge between curriculum and technology for schools.
And Nearpod is a program that empowers educators to create learning experience that engage and inspire students.
You can do math equations, and you can draw in a math drawing, and then you can write an answer with a variable and a label, and then you can submit the answer, and then maybe you could get picked to talk about your equation.
And it allows students to engage and participate through various activities.
Yeah, so what we see when we do Nearpod activities in the class is we see that engagement and that focus, it just skyrockets.
Well, I like Nearpod because there's like an unlimited amount of questions. You could sit down and just do math the whole day.
Well, most of the stuff that I like about it is the problems that are a little bit challenging for me, because then I learn something new. Sometimes if I don't get a question, Mr. Nicholson will put up someone that answered the question correctly, and then they'll talk about what they did, and then I can learn from my mistakes.
It engages students, and it holds them accountable, allows them to have high participation, and then record keeping for the teacher as well.
Yeah, you can also control the pace of the lesson, or you can let students move at their own pace.
And because it's paperless, it's also economical. Well, Nearpod allows students to work individually, in pairs, or in groups.
But it also creates an inclusive and immersive learning experience because it allows for active participation and ownership of their learning. So students can really own it. This is what I did. They can show it off to other students.
And the different activities also accommodates to the different learning styles, which keeps students focused and interested.
It's for each person, somebody thinks something different, so then I tell them how I do it, and then they tell me how they do it, so I learn in a way.
Nearpod is user-friendly. Once you have your lessons put in, you can continually use those lessons over and over again. It also allows teachers to dig deeper in discussion and keep students on task.
Yeah. And another benefit that you see with Nearpod is that it increases those uses of the 21st century skills when you're talking about communication, about collaboration, creativity. You can see the uses develop with your students over the course of the year. You can also create some customized quizzes, and Nearpod actually collects data for you that you can then use to see how students did on those quizzes, which then can adjust your instruction.
And then going back to participation and engagement, Nearpod actually allows 100% participation because we require the students to submit their work in.
There is one feature on Nearpod that our students particularly enjoy, and it's the Draw It feature, which basically turns their iPad into an interactive whiteboard. And in that interactive whiteboard, they can then show all their work, put the equation, put the answer, and then we can end up sharing that with the class, where it pops up on everybody's iPad, and that student explains their work, and we see Math Talk in action with that. We get a lot of good collaborative discussions, agreements, disagreements, and you see those students learning right there before your eyes.
This also gives the students an opportunity to come in front of the class and become the teacher and show their work and explain their thinking to the class as well.